Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the background from image in CapCut PC. So for instance, just select image you want to make as a background. For example, just going to select this image for background, change for aspect ratio to original and select the image, the main image. Alright, so select the background and change for the aspect ratio and yeah, according to the overlay. So select the 9 to 16, I think, and then merge it. So you can click the overlay and resize and change the aspect ratio for the background. Alright, so like so. That's how you can add the background from image in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.